This is Beats' latest dual USB-C cable, now available on the Apple official website. It features a woven design. There are 4 colors to choose from: Bold Black, Surge Stone, Nitro Navy, and Rapid Red. Besides the dual USB-C version, there are also USB-C to Lightning and USB-A to USB-C versions, each available in 2 lengths, 1.5 meters and 20 centimeters. Model is A3393. The length is about 1.5 meters. The diameter is about 3.12 millimeters. The weight is about 30.2 grams. It features a tangle-resistant woven design. The connector is printed with the Beats logo. The texture and feel are quite similar to Apple's original cable. ChargerLab Power's EKM003C shows that it doesn't have an e-marker chip. Using the Apple 140W charger paired with it to charge the MacBook, the power is about 20 volts 3 amps 60 watts. Next, we look at the voltage drop test performance. The test covers input and output voltages across 10 different settings, with voltages of 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, 15 volts, and 20 volts, and currents of 1 amp and 3 amps. The voltage drop difference is largest at the 20 volts 3 amps, 15 volts 3 amps, and 12 volts 3 amps levels, measuring 0.69 volts. The smallest difference occurs at the 5 volts 1 amp and 9 volts 1 amp levels, at 0.23 volts. When testing voltage drop at a 3 amps current, the difference ranges from about 0.68 volts to 0.69 volts. At a 1 amp current, the voltage drop difference is around 0.23 volts to 0.24 volts. Below is the data transfer test. Using Amorphous Disk Mark 4.0.1 for read/write testing, the maximum read speed reached 39.21 megabytes per second, and the maximum write speed reached 38.41 megabytes per second. Using disk speed test to measure transfer speeds, it achieved 75.3 megabytes per second for reading and 37.8 megabytes per second for writing, which falls within the typical USB 2.0 specifications. Therefore, it cannot connect to a monitor for video output, but can connect to a computer and camera for real-time preview. It can also connect a phone and headphones for music playback. If connected to broadband via an external Ethernet port, it can access the internet normally. At gigabit Ethernet speeds, the upload speed is approximately 356.31 megabits per second, and the download speed is about 120.33 megabits per second. Overall, the Beats USB-C to USB-C woven cable meets basic everyday charging needs and supports music playback. It's a typical USB 2.0 cable with a rather good overall feel. Okay, that's all for today's video. Please drop a like, leave your comments, and subscribe to us. See you next time. Bye.